Life is so great.
Harris taught special ed in Chicago's public schools, earned his law degree at night, and worked to protect our most vulnerable.
Treating people fairly, that's the key.
He cracked down on wrongful insurance denials, protected women.
You want to see how you make coffee? Okay, first I'll show you the pizza again. It's going to snow tonight, but not over here. But look, the cheese is melting and everything. But they're so cheap with their cheese. They didn't put any on there, and there it's Jack's Pizza. And now, here's coffee. What you do is you microwave a thing of water, and then you take it out, and then you know, if you have coffee grounds that you're supposed to use for those Keurig machines, you know, you pour the grounds in them, and you wait a long time until they all sink to the bottom, and then I'm going to pour that into a cup, and the grounds will stay at the bottom, and then I'll empty this out, and then I'll pour that cup back into here, heat it up in the microwave, and then pour it back into the cup, and then have myself a cup of coffee. Peace. See ya. My Italian sausage came up. Delicious. So this is really delicious. And check out my coffee. See, those are tea bags. Those are detox and green tea bags that I used earlier, but I'm just using it with the coffee to, you know, make it better. And bye-bye. Have you guys ever had powdered donuts? Powdered donuts. And look at my pizza. It's getting there. It's about done, I would say. But check it out. Oh my gosh, I can't do this with one hand. You motherfucker. Hang on there. What the hell? It worked. I had to cut it, you know, New York style because I have a plastic knife and I didn't want to cut it all in squares. It's hot too. Thank you, Space Hitter.